I will unbox from the face shop. Hi guys! So, for today's vlog is mag-unbox tayo ng the face shop PR package. So, this is the face shop new release nila sa market. So, be part of a natural story. Naman niya is Dear Jen, we have launched brand new ranges from Farm RX and Isanox. The first vegan skincare line ng The Face Shop, guys. So, itong Farm X is alternative sa mga ayaw gumamit ng retinol. So, Farm X Bakuchiol Cream. They gave me Farm X Super Greens Cooling Gel. Whoa, that's new for me. And then Farm X Serum Bakuchiol. And Farm X Bakuchiol Eye Cream. And then Farm X Moisture Cream. So guys, we've got 5 products from Farm X and from Isanox. Ganun ba pronunciation nun? Isang booster for microbiome balance. And then, isang moisture lock for hydration to. And then, pore perfector. These are serum, guys. So, yun guys, yung mga new product from The Face Shop. If you want to avail, guys, they gave us discount code JenTFS20 sa mga followers ko dyan na gustong itry tong vegan product from The Face Shop. It's available online pala. I-release pa lang to sa mga stores. So, check them out. Be the first one to try these products from The Face Shop, guys. Hi everyone! Good afternoon. I have a package na na-receive today and hindi ko na-expect na ngayon ko siya ma-receive. Kaya hindi ako naka-ready. Kakagising ko lang. So, gusto ko i-unbox. Gusto ko i-vlog. Kasi laki nitong PR package na to. This is collaboration with Cotton Home. So, yung concept is sa bahay naman. So, why not na okay lang na ganito. Na it's a raw vlog. Wala akong problema doon. So, ipapakita ko siya sa inyo, guys. Konti lang naman yung napili ko dun sa website, pero ang laki ng box. So, ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo. I'm so excited, guys. Bale, andito siya sa balcony. From cottonhome.ae. So, let's unbox this. Kasi hindi ko pa siya pwedeng ilagay sa loob. Masyado siyang malaki. Maliit lang yung house namin, guys. All white. So we have 3-piece fitted sheet. All white, guys, yung kinuha ko. And then mattress topper. It's like this siya. Orange.
Nice!
Besh, mag-vlog ako. 100 AED budget.
Tips ni Lord. Ay, 23. para time lapse.
Try natin.
Ito po, pero normal video.
Hello. We're here to unwind. Kasi lately, we're so exhausted. Thank you, Tim Hortons. This is sponsored, guys. And we ordered their double-double. Okay, cheers, guys. Cheers. Sa'yo lang talaga, girl. It's for cherry. Dapat mo pag ano. Cheers, Joey. Cheers. Ay, sarap. May naglo. Ikaw. Ako ay video mo.
Pakita mo yan. Ay, hindi maano. Nakasin. Ayan.